Hey everyone, it's me again, Jessie from Hotel Explorer, and today I'd love to take you on a visual tour of Playa del Duque, Tenerife. Del Duque Beach, easily the crown jewel of the Canary Islands with its prestige and golden sands, Del Duque didn't disappoint. Its turquoise waters beckon from a distance, contrasting against the pristine white sands. And let me tell you, the sunset views, absolutely cinematic. Before you even hit the beach, a spacious, modern relaxation area is perfect for unwinding and taking in the coastal vibes. Along the shoreline, many restaurants and bars cater to every palate. A special shout out to La Hacienda. It may be a walk from the hotel, but trust me, their top-notch cuisine is worth the trek. However, nature had its own plans during my visit. With the ocean roaring and waves crashing, it was evident that a storm was brewing. The once inviting waters turned tumultuous, and the lifeguards hoisted the red flag, a no-swim warning. Though a bit disheartened, I took solace in the hotel's luxurious pool, perfect for lounging and escaping the stormy seas. For those planning a trip to this beach haven, remember to drop by the beach club Bahia del Duque. With a cold beer in hand, gazing at the horizon is the best way to cap off a sun-kissed day in paradise. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the Hotel Explorer channel for more adventures with Jessie. Picture this. We're strolling along the promenade that stretches all the way to the quaint village of La Caleta. As you gaze ahead, you'll notice a magnificent statue of a lifeguard, and today, some truly breathtaking waves. It's not every day you see waves of this magnitude here. In fact, the beaches are closed today due to the red flag. Oh, look over there. A man is riding not one, not two, but 3 scooters at once. I bet he's an employee rounding up rental scooters for the day. Quite the balancing act, don't you think? Now, let's steer our attention closer to the vicinity of your hotel. Right now, we're only about a 10-minute walk away from it. And here's a special treat. We've arrived at one of the newer beaches, named Playa del Duque Norte. This beach boasts beautiful black sand, but today it's not the safest place to take a dip, all because of those mighty waves. Even though they've installed breakwaters, the waves still seem to overpower them. Nature truly has its own plans. This area, though, is truly enchanting, especially during sunset. Just observe how the strong waves have pushed the sand all the way onto the walkway. Can you believe it? I've never seen anything quite like this in Tenerife. Benches have been moved back and sand covers the pathway. Yet, it doesn't dampen the spirit of our walk. By the time you visit this beach, I'm sure it'll be cleaned up, ready for your leisurely walks and refreshing swims. We're just lucky to catch it in this unique state. And speaking of unique, there's this picturesque cafe just around the bend called Chiringuito the Ties. I checked it out, and it has a pretty good rating of 4.2 on Google Maps. Today's sight is a rare one. Absolutely colossal, stunning waves. I'd wager they're reaching heights of maybe 4 or 5 meters. It's a remarkable spectacle, particularly if you're the type that prefers a calm pool at the hotel. So, fellow explorers, continuing our tour along the waterfront, we'll eventually reach the neighboring beaches, named Playa de la Enramada and Playa del Viril. To get there, we'll be crossing a bridge over a mountainous stream. And by the way, we're currently near 2 renowned hotels, Hotel Riu Palace Tenerife and Tivoli La Caleta Tenerife Resort. Journeying forward, as we head towards the new beach, let's take in all the surroundings that are just a 15 or 20-minute walk from your hotel. And here's a tip. At the end of the beach, there's a bus stop. Every 30 minutes, a bus departs from this stop, taking you back to the very spot where we began our tour. Let's take a brief detour and circle around this massive rock. At the peak of the hill, there's an observation deck called La Caleta. From here, the view is unparalleled. As we continue along the promenade towards the town of La Caleta, we find 2 more hotels, the Tivoli La Caleta Tenerife Resort and the H10 Costa Adeje Palace. While they aren't the main focus of today's tour, it's worth noting that they are indeed striking and captivating in their own right. But today, our primary focus is on the coastline and promenade. And I must say, if you're someone who prefers observing the ocean's wild nature rather than taking a dip in its waters, you're in for a treat. Today, we're witnessing a rare occurrence, a storm on Tenerife's southern coast. It's truly an opportunity to feel the invigorating breezes and inhale the abundant iodine vapors that are released onto the shoreline during such weather. Experiencing the raw power of nature, with the ocean's mighty waves crashing onto the shore, reminds us of the magnificent force of the world we live in. So, join me as we continue to explore, appreciate, and marvel at the wonders of Tenerife's southern coast. The sight of a lifeguard donning a red hat and waving a red flag is a clear indication. Swimming is strictly prohibited today. We'll take a slight detour, continuing our journey along the next stretch of beach. Near Playa de la Enramada, there's the Coqueluche Beach Bar. It's on the pricier side, but they offer their own lounge chairs and umbrellas for those looking for a luxurious beach experience. When it comes to swimming at this particular beach, I would only recommend it to those who are professional swimmers equipped with proper gear, including fins. The reason being, the undercurrents at this beach can be treacherously strong. As we pass the Coqueluche Beach Bar, you'll notice that while sunbathing is a popular activity here, due to the currents, many opt out of taking a swim. But that doesn't diminish the allure of the stunning views on offer. One standout feature of this coastline, setting it apart from areas like Los Cristianos and Las Americas, is its wild, untouched beauty. It's not uncommon to find people sunbathing topless here, embracing the raw essence of nature. And if bustling, overcrowded beaches aren't your cup of tea, then Playa de la Enramada or the Coqueluche Beach Bar might just be the spot for you. Here, you can kick back with a drink in hand and lose yourself in the mesmerizing dance of the ocean waves. As we continue our stroll, we're now approaching the town of La Caleta. This is where the beach ends and the urban landscape begins. Passing by, we have the Hovima Jardín Caleta Hotel. Nearby, there's a Hipperdino store, and let me tell you, there are some pretty decent restaurants around here too. Interestingly, they've moved the bus stop about 400 meters from its original spot, and I'll show you its new location in just a moment. La Caleta is renowned for its abundance of seafood restaurants, all situated overlooking a breathtakingly beautiful bay. For a detailed review of this bay and its seafood restaurants, be sure to check our channel and find the link in the first comment below this video. But today, our focus has been our walk along the promenade and the route we recommend for those who prefer light, not too lengthy walks. Our journey concludes here, near the bus stop for bus number 467. In just 2 minutes, this bus will have you back at your hotel, so it's super convenient. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the Hotel Explorer channel for more adventures with Jessie. Safe travels, everyone.